Hey, hello! Thank you for choosing this video. In this video, we will test the engine of 269 BR Bird Rider. We will test it for track 82 miles from Temanggung to Cilacap. And what the Pigeon can do with this engine 289 BR, it's gonna be jumping all around all the track in 82 miles from Temanggung City to Cilacap. For your information, this is 269 Bird Rider engine is a son from matching pigeon broodstock fly from Ponorogo in East Java. It's about 164 miles. So I named it with engine of 269 Bird Rider engine. For Incroft this time, we going to the Nusa Kambangan Racing Pigeon headquarters at Kemit Street, Cilacap. Beside we Incroft, we can change information about Racing Pigeon in Cilacap and surrounding, about what the new in this hobbies or anything. Same like always, from Cilacap we bring the racing pigeon to the mouse, and after that we collect them and send it to Purbalingga, where's the racing pigeon Nagamas headquarters will be start from there, and at the night would be pick up by car and bring it to the Temanggung City. And this it's 3 truck would be bring the 2,222 racing pigeons to Temanggung City. It start to go at night, and hopefully in the morning it's arrive in Temanggung City and start to open the racing gate for racing pigeons. Okay, the conveyor is already arrived at Temanggung City, but the weather is very foggy, so we wait until it's clear. The weather is good condition. Until 7:45 we will release this and start to open the gate of racing pigeons. Yes, finally the racing began at 7:45 and the starting gate was opened by the conveyor. So it's time for happy racing days.
What doesn't kill you makes you wish you were dead. Got a hole in my soul going deeper and deeper, and I can't take.
Yes, it's about 2,222 racing pigeons fly over the sky of Temanggung. I hopefully they safely for the fastest as you can and get home quickly. In my prediction, it will home for 2 hours, or flight time is 2 hours to go to my home at Cilacap.
What doesn't destroy you leaves you broken inside. Got a hole in my soul going deeper and deeper, and I can't take.
Okay, now we back to Cilacap at the BBB Love It's burn the end because the end is disturb the pigeon, so we burn it.
Waves, I close my eyes, hold my breath and let it bury me. I'm not okay and it's not alright.
Okay, because the time it's almost done with my prediction, it's 2 hours, so we got to check up the sky and look over the racing pigeons. So who knows, they're back soon. Feel sorry for this time. I can catch the video the racing pigeon home because they come from a different I stand from my backside actually. So suddenly they stop in the loft and they back down, getting in the cake. So next we gotta check this how fast my racing pigeon done this race. It's for 2 hours flying time. It's 1108 meter per minute. So it's very well doing this my racing pigeon. So we gotta see you next week for Salatiga Racetrack Racing Pigeon. Okay, still with me, John Wery, and see you on my next video with the new something information about managing pigeon. Thank you very much.